Let's see how to solve this using the let function. So for the same age, I'm going to calculate using the let function. So let me write let. Let's expand this and let's see how you write the let function with the proper structure. So the best practice is you hit the curly braces. I mean, you hit the brackets, and let's do alt enter and go to the next line. Okay, now as we discussed, the let function consists of name value pairs. So let's define all the name value pairs, and finally we'll use the calculation expression. So the first name value pair is the age. So I'm sorry, there is the date of birth, and I'm going to click on this. It got stored in the B1. Now let's define the next name value pair, that is the as of date. As of which date we want to calculate the person's age, that is today. And you can see now, since it's defined as a variable, I can change this today to any other specific date. Say if I want to calculate the person's age of a specific day and not the today's date, and I can define it here. If I had to do it in the earlier function, I would have to manually replace it everywhere. Okay, so is there any other name value pair? So yes, I can calculate years, and I'm going to calculate the years using the date diff function again here, and I'm going to pass. Now the magic is I'm going to refer to the variables here and not the cell references. So the variable date of birth as of, and I'm going to extract the year. Okay, is there any other name value pair? Yes, I want to. Let's close. Okay, is there any other name value pair? I want to calculate the months. So date diff, and let us pass the date of birth again as of. Again, I'm using the variables here and extract the months. Okay, and now let us write the final expression, and that is I want to return the years variable. To that I want to append the years text, because I want the age again in years and in months. And let's append the months variable, and let's append the months text. And now let us close this. I hit enter, and here you can see it has calculated the age is same 17 years and 3 months. Now when the calculations get complex, you will note that the